Hi, so hari ni nak tunjuk you macam mana kita nak guna Taplink. And what is Taplink? Now, Taplink is a link, dia macam mini site where we can put so many details about our business and ourselves. Contoh, when you're on Instagram, they give you an active link, just one active link. Now, what most people do is they just put just one single detail, like either WhatsApp or go to the website. But why would you do that when you can put so many things on just one link, all right? So I will give you an example. Previously, I used Linktree, but now I use Taplink because I love the features more. Okay, so if you click on this link, what happens is it will go to this site. Now, this is the desktop view or the laptop view. Kalau on the phone, it will be just a bit more compressed lah. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So there's like a mini, you can put up your profile and a short bio about how you help people because that's important. And the best thing is there is a carousel post kat sini. Maknanya you can put a few things. Okay, you can put a few things right here. A few posters, like whatever that you're selling. For example, I'm selling a few things. You can immediately drive them to a few places. Okay, a few different website pages, a few different payment pages. So if you're selling multiple things, multiple promotion going on, you can identify. Tak adalah you just give them one link and that's one link. They have to go around and find everything there. No, you can. It can be themed. Okay. For example, here I'm selling this workbook, and then I'm selling workshop. So they can go to the things that they want, all right? And the details are all here, the date and the price and everything. Okay, next is you can also put in links like if they want to WhatsApp you, if they want to go to the main website, or if you want them to connect with you on another different social media platform, for example, LinkedIn or YouTube, you can even put that like down here. Okay, so how much does it cost? Okay, harga dia. That's a basic. The basic plan is free. Okay, so yes, you can use this for free, but there's limitations, obviously. Tapi if you pay, like for example, right now I'm paying per year it's about like 120 lebih kurang 10 ringgit per month when I pay annually. And this is what you get. Okay, you get premium design themes, meaning that I can change the color and everything. I can use carousel, and there's links, clicks, analytics. Kalau yang free one, they don't have any analytics. Okay, all right. Okay, so yeah, you can even put a Facebook pixel. There's so many things that you can automate and you can use. So for me, it's definitely worth it to go for pro, but then it's up to you according to your budget. All right. Okay. So here it's pretty self-explanatory. For example, if I want to change this, right? Okay. Let's like go to our account, right? Right, so I'm going to show you behind the scenes few pictures so that you get a clearer view of how you can add and drop. Okay, so this is how it looks like inside. So just now was the outside view. This is the inside view. Okay, so the inside view is you can add. It's so simple to add a blog. Now this is what they call, because it's like a mini website. So each of this is a blog. This gray thing, satu blog. One blog, you can put a certain type of information. If you want to add a blog, for example, you just click here, add blog, and you will choose, add a paragraph, text, link, whatever it is, avatar, which means a picture, FAQ question. You can even put a video there. Okay, that's how awesome it is. And you can put image carousel, social networks, maps, everything. If you have a location, you can put your map there. You can put a countdown timer there. You can put another different page there. It's amazing. So yeah, so you can put a lot of things, okay? And for example, when they click on it, they will go to the link that you already put in. And let's say, for example, I ada running a few promotions. So I would prepare my blogs, and then I would hide the blog if the promotion isn't running. So for example, if you're doing a seasonal sale or you're doing a countdown sale where you don't want it to be available all the time, so what you do is you pre-create it. Lepas tu you hide the blog. You can hide the blog and you can unhide it bila the promo time comes. So tak adalah kelang kabut. So you can always automate. Or if you have every single month a new promotion, you can pre-create already and hide it and unhide it when the time comes. Okay? Right. Okay. So if you want to change, for example, if I want to change this carousel block, what I do is just I click on it. Okay. And then it will get me to change anything. For example, if I want to change a picture, I just click here and I don't download a new picture. If I want to change the wordings here, just go down here and then I just change the words and it will be changed. Okay. So that's it. And I can add link or not add link. It's up to me. If I add link, then it goes straight to my payment form. Or can. All right. And save changes. That's it. And it immediately will update. Okay, so this is live all the time. And if you want to share this with people, so you just hit publish, or you just let's see what happens when I click publish, and then you get this, and you just copy link, and you just paste it on your Instagram or on your Facebook or in your WhatsApp. All right, so that's it. I hope this works out for you because it has helped me a lot. It has converted literally all of my sales from Instagram. I would say 95% of it goes through this Taplink. And whoever that I suggest Taplink to has helped them a lot too. So if you don't know how to put multiple links, just use Taplink. It's super simple. It's super affordable. If you have any more questions, just you know what to do. Just comment on this video. We'd love to answer it. All right. Thank you. Bye.